Hello everybody, this is Mario Sonic Crash and Thomas the Tank Engine Band 64 here, and today, the day has come, the final part of my custom Thomas Wooden Railway collection, custom showcase. And today, I kept it for last. Here is my entire Canadian Railroad collection. So, let's start off with my most favorite model, the Royal Hudson. So yeah, this was made out of those one-off tender engines from those train things you find at Target in the US. I printed out the number plate, the logos and stuff. I used clay for the dome stuff. And the whistle. I used Sharpie for the other sides. It's for gold Sharpie. And here is the nameplate, the tender. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Anyways, moving on. Here we have a custom Canadian Pacific diesel. Here we have the model. I used the numbers are 9, 5, yeah, that's correct. So that I went random from a trains model. I went for a random number for it. Here's the top, and I used Sharpie for the windows and stuff, and paint for the nameplates. And yeah, that's it. And we're not done yet because we have 2 Canadian national trucks or rolling stock. Here we have this one with the pipes. Yeah, I used let me not choose on both sides. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Yes. And here's the one with the coal hopper thing. I used the same thing for this side, and I used silver for the lining there. Yeah, I decided to do it. And that's it. That's my Canadian Pacific Railroad collection. Thank you for watching this series. I hope you enjoy it. This is Mario Sonic Crash and Thomas the Tank Engine Fan 64 signing off. Goodbye, everybody.